Where I live, no one seems to care whether local projects were being done properly. Many projects, like the construction of schools or water points, have been delayed for a long time. We've had water problems for decades. Without a nearby water source, women and children have to walk really far and camp overnight to collect water. This means children have less time to go to school and are very tired when they get there. We've learned how to monitor these projects, identifying problems and working with those responsible to get them fixed. Facing the building contractors was a big challenge. It is not easy as a woman. Gradually, they understood we were working for the good of the community.
Mama Uchi is my ears and eyes in the field. She visits projects and then she calls me to report. I know exactly what is going on. Most projects that had stalled have now been finished because the monitors kept pushing.
The member of the county assembly calls me when there is an important meeting. Me, can you imagine? Important people ask for my opinion and listen to me. Parents tell their children, I want you to be like her later on.
Now there's more trust between us and the local leaders, and the community knows how to speak up when things are going wrong. And of course, these projects are completed properly.